Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve if the Windows apps are grayed out in the Start menu on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So I imagine it's going to definitely be a frustrating issue. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle. And we're going to go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu, type in troubleshoot. Best match, come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side, you want to select other troubleshooters. So go ahead and left click on that. And then underneath other, scroll down and you want to select Windows Store Apps and then select the run button. And then I'd recommend following along with any of the on-screen prompts or recommendations. And if it finds anything, I'd recommend just, again, following along with whatever procedure it recommends. And then you would close out of here. Something else I'd recommend trying as well would be to select the Apps option on the left side, and then go underneath Apps and Features over here on the right side. If you need to search for it in the search menu, you can just type in Apps and Features. In the Apps list, type in Microsoft Store. Best match, come back on Microsoft Store, select the three-dotted icon next to it, and select Advanced Options. Scroll down. Underneath reset, if the app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected. Select the repair button. And then once you're done with that, you close out of here and you would restart your computer. And now that we're back in Windows, if you're still having an issue after attempting to open up the Microsoft Store and you're still having the problem, something else we can try here as well. If we open up the search, type in apps and features, best match comes back with apps and features. So go ahead and open that up. And in the apps list field, again, type in Microsoft Store. Select the three-dotted icon next to it, and then select Advanced Options. Scroll down. And now underneath Reset, we're going to select if the app still isn't working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. Select Reset. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Select Reset. And once you have that check mark, you should be good to go. And if you close out of here and you actually open up the Microsoft Store, again, you should be good. One further thing we can try here as well, if you open up the search menu, type in WS Reset. Best match should come back with WS Reset. Go ahead and just open that up and give it a moment here. And this should also reset the Microsoft Store. So again, pretty straightforward process there, guys. So hopefully I was able to resolve your problem. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.